What's the meaning of beta particle? Beta particle. Beta particle.
Beta particle. Beta particle. A beta particle is a type of ionizing radiation emitted during the radioactive decay of certain atomic nuclei. It consists of a high-energy electron that is emitted from the nucleus of an atom, along with an antineutrino or a positron. Beta particles are commonly encountered in physics experiments and can also be used for medical applications such as cancer treatment. Due to their high energy and ability to penetrate materials, beta particles can be harmful to living organisms if exposure levels are too high. However, they can also be harnessed for beneficial purposes when used in controlled settings.